Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the subscribe button that you see that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns a lighter gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It is called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the growth of this channel simply by subscribing, making sure to ring that bell so you're in the know, and not forgetting to do the thumbs up. Okay guys, we are on a roll. We have done some early spoilers, and yesterday we had 3 customization categories. We had 6 and 5 in one video, and then we had another one earlier in the afternoon at for customization 4, and now we already have customization 3. So we are really going through quickly what is going to be in our winter box. So I have it all set up on my computer so we can go through it together, and then at the end of the video we will discuss the customization dates as well as a discount code for you guys as well. So starting with the information that we have here, it says Spoiler Winter 2023 Customization 3. It says, we hope you've recovered from all the spoiler excitement yesterday, because we have even more winter excitement for you in Customization 3. Whether you are looking to step up your hair care routine, your makeup routine, or skincare, this customization will be your new beauty BFF. So starting with the first one that we have on the screen, it is from Grande Cosmetics. It is the Grand Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. They're saying this should be a 3-month supply, and it is a $68 value. They're saying it is an award-winning serum from the #1 lash and brow serum brand in America. Is going to be in this winter box. It is a must-have that promotes the appearance of longer, fuller, and healthier lashes through its safe and effective proprietary formula that is filled with amino acids, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. This is an ophthalmology-tested serum, and it's so easy to use that just one daily swipe is all that you need. The size of this is going to be a 2 ml, and it's really simple to use. It says cleanse and dry your face completely. You wipe off any excess serum on the edge of the bottle. You apply a single stroke to each eyelid, following your upper lash line, just like you would a liquid liner. You use 1 dip into the bottle and 1 single stroke for both upper lash lines. They're saying allow 2 to 3 minutes for the serum to dry before applying other products or laying down. It says after 3 months of daily use, apply every other day for maintenance. It says do not apply to the lashes themselves or the lower lash line. Apply only with this product applicator. And then they said use sparingly, as dripping into the eye may cause irritation or any other unwanted effects. If the serum does drip into the eye, immediately rinse thoroughly with cool water to completely remove. This is a female-founded brand. Again, the website is Grande Cosmetics, and it is a .com. There are shipping restrictions on this. It will only be available in the USA because the shipping restrictions are for Canada and the UK. The next item that we have is from DP Hue. And on this one here, we have, it's an apple cider vinegar exfoliating scalp detox. It is a $35 value, and it says we already know that apple cider vinegar is a powerhouse ingredient with this scrub-free scalp detox that will dissolve product and excess oil to keep the scalp balanced and healthy, with reduced shedding as well as ingredients that will also stimulate hair growth. The product details on this, it's a 4 fluid ounce, and it simply says how to use it. You use it on dry hair before shampooing. You section your hair and apply it evenly across the scalp. Using the tip applicator, you can massage it into the scalp and the roots with your fingertips and then leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes. Do not exceed that 10 minutes. Rinse with water, then shampoo with conditioner as usual. And for best results, they say to use it once a week and apply before shampoo and or your conditioner. This is also a female-founded brand. If you want more information, the website is dphu.com, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The next one that we have is another phenomenal brand. This is Malin and Gotez. This is the Peppermint Body Scrub. This is a $32 value, and it says it's beginning to smell a lot like the holidays with this peppermint body scrub. Ground pumice is synthesized with the amino acids and glycerin to both exfoliate and hydrate the skin. Now, the product details on this, the tube is 7.5 fluid ounces, and how to use it, they say to gently massage a generous amount of scrub over the body, work it into a lather, and rinse clean. Use 2 to 3 times a week during your shower or your bath in place of any regular body wash. This, again, the website is malinandgotez.com, and there's no shipping restrictions on this one either. The next one that we have is this brand called Lemmy, Lemme. It is an Irish sea moss liquid drops. They're saying this is a $25 value, and it has one of those timers, which means they have a limited quantity of these. It says these drops support wellness in multiple ways, including the appearance of hair, skin, and nails. Now, the product details on this, it's a bottle that is 1 ounce. It has a precaution. It says if you are pregnant, nursing, or having a medical condition, or taking any medication, consult your physician before use, and to keep this out of the reach of children. And how to use, the adult should shake it gently and take up to 30 drops with 1 dropper daily, or as recommended by a physician, and can be taken directly by mouth or added to water. The ingredients in this are a vitamin D, and they're saying it is also biotin, which is an organic Irish moss. And then they have other ingredients like organic glycerin, purified water, and an organic flavor. This is a female-founded brand. And then the website is lemmelive.com. And there are shipping restrictions. This is only for the US. It's restricted for shipping to Canada and the UK. Again, from the same brand, we have this. It is the Matcha Energy B12 gummies, and they're saying this is a $30 value, and it also has that timer, which means limited quantities. This is saying, it says, these gummies are a must if you want to get the most out of your day. It has organic matcha, vitamin B12, and CoQ10 are an ingredient triple threat, so you have all the energy that you need. There's going to be 60 gummies in this bottle. Again, the same precautions if you're pregnant, nursing, or medical conditions, or taking any medication. Always consult your physician before, and keep out of the reach of children. For adults, they say to take 2 gummies up to 3 times daily. Again, they have the ingredients are an organic matcha tea. They have a CoQ enzyme, a Q10, which is the CoQ enzyme. They have an organic syrup in here, organic cane sugar. Water contains less than 2% of citric acid and coconut oil. It has kombucha wax, natural flavors, and it has turmeric as well for color, it says. This is also, as I mentioned, a female-founded brand, and again, the same shipping restrictions. It's not available for Canada or the UK, so for the US only. And now we have something wintry. We have the Coach Cable Knit Winter Headband that has a $50 value. And it says, we are here to show you that cold weather clothes can still be cute and stylish. This Coach Cable Knit Winter Headband is exactly what you need to keep warm while looking cool this season. The temperature may be dropping, but your style game won't. The size of this is a 9.5 inch by 4 inch by 1 inch. Again, the MSRP is $50. The care instructions are hand wash only. And how to use, it says position the headband so that it won't slip off as you wear it throughout the day by keeping it over your ears and on top of your forehead. It can be worn with your hair down or up in a pony or a bun. It is 100% acrylic. If you want more information, the website is coach.com, and there are no shipping restrictions on this item either. And then we have a beauty, here is, some up closes of the actual coach name and how it would look without it being on. And then we have this one here, and on this one is Beautybakery, the Chosen Bun Eyeshadow Palette. It has a $38 value, so let's do the next pick here. And this one says, this beautiful neutral palette will help you create the holiday party looks of your dreams. Whether you stick with the matte shades or play it up with the sparkle, or just use a little of both, these highly pigmented shadows blend seamlessly and have long-lasting staying power thanks to the jojoba oil as well. The product details on this, they're saying the size is 0.05 ounce by 9, and it says you can use a blending brush or a fluffy brush to seamlessly blend. Use a smudge brush to smudge color with precision and smoke out at your lash line. It says just don't set this in the kitchen, or it says just don't set the kitchen on fire. Use an angled blush to line and define the eyes, and it gives you all the ways that you can use it. And also, if you want, you can spritz your brush with setting spray and dip it into the shimmer shade for any added impact. Again, the mattes have mica and talc. The shimmers also have mica and as well. And the other shimmer shades that they tell you, they have the numbers down here, have dimethicone and mica. Then again, the name of this is called the Chosen Bun Palette. If you want more information, beautybakery.com, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one either. The next one that we have is from Way, and this is a leave-in conditioner with a $30 value. They're saying this is a past favorite, and it is for me. This says, leave the arm workouts to the gym. The tiring task of detangling your hair will now be a whole lot easier. The Way leave-in conditioner saves you time and energy while serving as a heat protectant, a detangler, and a frizz fighting all at the same time. This is a 4.7 ounce, and how to use. It says squeeze out excess water from freshly cleansed hair, spray about 6 to 8 inches away from the eye line down, and avoid the roots. It says distribute the product evenly by brushing from an eye line down with a wide tooth comb. And this is also, as you know, a female-founded brand. More information, you can go to theway.com, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one either. So those are all of the spoilers that we have for customization 3. Again, the important dates are when, after we see all of our spoilers for customization, which I will have on this channel. If you are annual like me, we prepaid $220 ahead of time for the 4 seasons, and our customization will open up on October 20th through the 24th. And based on your subscription, if you're annual, your add-ons will open up the day before, which for me will be on October 19th. And I will do a video on those as well. But for seasonal, which is how I started, this is fantastic because customization will start on November the 3rd, and your add-ons, of course, will start the day before. Now, seasonals are $59.99 for this box. However, my code that was given to me by FABFITFUN will get you another 20% off your seasonal box. Now, what is amazing about seasonal is you will get to customize 4 out of the 6 categories, where with annual, you get to customize them all. However, with seasonal, you will be able to see everything prior to making the decision if you want this box. And if it's the first time, the discounts that are always out there are only for a seasonal box. There is no discount on the annual because you're already getting a little bit of a discount when you sign up ahead of time. All right, so I want to make sure that everybody knows that. Also, the shade of the box this time around will be winter. On the top of it, it will say something about naughty and nice, but this is going to be for the winter 2023 FABFITFUN. And as always, I will always have the spoilers on here. So if you've missed category 4 or 5 and 6, you simply go to underneath my video. You will see a picture of me with my name, True Once. You either click on the picture or True Once. A whole set of tabs will come up, including video, and you will be able to hit that, and you will see all my most recent uploads there. So you will not have to miss out. But make sure to subscribe and make sure your bell is on so that you don't miss out on any of the spoilers. And I will see you all soon again in the next video. And who knows, we might get another spoiler today like we did yesterday. If not, I will see you for FABFITFUN spoilers tomorrow. But I do have other content of boxes that arrived today. So make sure to definitely go to that video section so you can see if you've missed out on any of my uploads. And that's it for today, guys. So take care, stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.